Good morning, students. Yesterday, I taught you the sixth lesson. It's only a matter of practice. I explained you Unit 1. Today, I am going to explain you Unit 2. My dear students, in Unit Part 1, we saw that how Chen Yaozi gets angry on the old man because he said everything is a matter of practice. Now, second paragraph, Chen Yaozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless commands on other people? Who are you? So Chen Yaozi got very angry. And he said to the old man, who are you? And why do you pass such a thoughtless comments on other people? Thoughtless comments means a statement made without thinking. Then the old man says, please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gods. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. So the old man told Chen Yaozi, please don't get angry. Sir, I am also an oil seller. You see gourds with me. I fill oil in these gourds and every day I carry them to the town and I sell this oil from the gourds. And doing this every day, filling these gourds with oil, I also have got or developed one skill in me. If you want, I will show you. You must allow me or give me the permission. Gourds means containers made from dried large fruit with a hard skin. Bhopla. In Marathi we say gourds bhopla. Understood? So then Chen Yaozi growled Chen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. So he said yes with a rough voice. Chen Yaozi. Growl means to make a low, rough sound usually in anger. Okay, he was very angry. So he said, Now all the people, those who had gathered there, they were eager to see what would happen. Curious means eager. They were eager to see what is going to happen now next. Because he also said that he also has developed one skill. So all wanted to see the old man's skill also. Then Chen Yaozi gave permission to that old man to perform or to make his skill and show or do his skill and show to the other people and him. Page 13. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. My dear students, patiently. Patiently means carefully. Okay? He kept that empty gourd on the ground. Then he took a small coin. My dear student, in past, people they used to use coins which had hole. Okay? Which had hole for the coins. If you go to Nagar, you will see in the museum there, or any museums where you go, you will see the people using the coins in the past had small holes. Understood? So he kept a small coin on that gourd. Understood? And then what happened? He took a ladle. Ladle means a long handled spoon having a deep bowl for serving liquids. Understood? We make use at home also to, if you have your water pot in the house, we use this ladle to remove water from the pot and pour it in the glass. Did you understand? Now, he took that ladle and he kept that coin on the mouth of the gourd. Understood? And he stood up and he started pouring oil from a height. Understood? Standing. The oil went straight into the gourd, children. Did you understand? Not even little oil fell on the coin, nor it fell on the ground. Then after pouring the oil in the gourd, he lifted the coin and showed to Ken Yaozi. There was not even little oil on the coin or on the gourd. Now, next paragraph. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. So what happened then? The people were speechless with wonder. Speechless means unable to speak. They were unable to speak. They were wondering how nicely this old man has filled oil into the gourd. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. So he said he had a smile on his face. And he said, children, people, that this is all only a matter of practice. Chen Yaozi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, you have taught me something important today. So, Chen Yaozi, who was very angry, what happened? He lost all his anger and annoyance. That means he was nervous, no? So he lost that also. He just gave a short laugh and he said to the old man, he laughed and said, you have taught me something important today. Today you have taught me something, a good lesson I learned from you. After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. So from that day, he said, no, I must not boast of myself. I must not boast of myself, because each and every has one or the other skill. Now, to develop one skill in you, you have to practice every day. For example, you want to be a good singer, you have to sing every day, practice it. If you want to write with a good handwriting, you have to practice writing every day. If you want to be the first child in the class, first rank holder, then you have to study every day, do your homeworks every day. This all you must do, my dear students, to develop one skill. Okay? And God has blessed each one of us with many skills. Only thing, it is in our hand how we develop that skill. Understood? What do we learn from this lesson? We learn that practice makes man perfect. What do we learn from this lesson? Practice makes man perfect. So what you children have to do, my dear students? You have to practice every day. Children, you can make everything possible only if you practice every day. Did you understand? So, study from today. Do you understand, all of you? Yes? Yes? Okay. Thank you. Homework I will send you in your school homework app. Thank you.